Option number 4, the strategy against weak markets. Why? Because in every round you put out more and more coins out of the market, and less coins on the market, as higher the price will be. Or maybe you want to create your own staking portfolio. With option number 4, it's no problem. But let's take a look. So welcome back in our dashboard. As you can see, I have already filtered option number 4, and also I have explained in the beginning option number 4 you can use for two kind of ways. I use the option number 4 to support markets that I like, or to support coins that I like. I have many trading slots opened with Niblio, Tron and Neo. So I want to support these coins and I want to create my own staking portfolio. And with option number 4, I can take more and more coins out of the market. And let's take a look how this is working. Right now, my most profit spot is here Niblio against BNB. And you see I opened this spot a little bit more than 1 month ago, and I have already over 19% profit. Actually, price is 11.8% lower than the start price, but we know it so far. If we open a bot with the option or with the side buy, then the bot have to be in minus from the actually start price, because instead of this the trading slot is not working. And yes, let's take a look what I mean with we take more and more coins out of the market and how you can support your favorite coin. So you see here I buy an amount of 75.5, and now we have to take a look in the history. But in the history we see it a little bit better, because in the history we see what was the last orders, and you see what happened here. So it's the order number 10, and you see the order is always the same. So it's not like with option number 2 or option number 3. Also the order size here, the amount size will be always the same. So let's take a look again how we do it the last time. So this was the number, and here this is the buy amount. And here you can see very good, this is the amount for sell. So I also will copy the price, because the price is here also very important. This was the price for buy, and here was the price for sell. Very good. So now we take a look what was the price. So the price for buy was 1.99 BNB, and the price for sell is 2 BNB. So we have a difference of 0.041 BNB. Why we have this difference? Because this is our fee, because we always take care to pay the fee with the BNB coin, because here we can save 25% commission, and that's why we always take care that we have BNB in our balance, so we can pay the fee with BNB. And if I want to open a trading slot with the option number 4, always the fee is included. So and you can see here what also happened. So this was my buy amount, and I subtract now the sell amount. So with every round I make 0.6 Niblio. And as far you can see here in the bot list, you're gonna filter option 4. You see here in the bot list I have done so far 186 rounds. So, and this means in the last months I create only with this one trading slot 111.6 Niblio. And the same we can also see here in Tron BNB. Because this is very good if you want to open your own staking portfolio. You can see it also here, very good in the history. This is the buy amount. Copy it here again. This is our sell amount. And here it is the same game. So every round we take out 29 drawn out of the market. So, and also we can check here how many rounds we have here. 144. This is also a little bit more than 1 month. And so you can also calculate here, you will put out only with this one trading slot 4,176 drawn out of the market. And your portfolio or your amount size will be always the same. So if the price goes up again, you can close this trading slot, and then maybe you also can sell the coins again, because we know this sometimes for many markets they are 1, 2, 3 months. The coin value is very slow, and then the coin maybe pumped 100, 200, 300% more. And in this case, you can also use this option for, in one hand, to create your own staking portfolio. So you make the market stronger because you put out coins out of the market. And in the other case, you can also use this trading option for if you want to, if you are in a very weak coin and at the very end of the bottom, you can take out coins off the market. And when the market goes up 20 or 30% or 100% or more, then you can sell these coins with 100% profit. So let's take a look how we can create an option number 4 bot. Again, we start here with trade. We choose here Binance. We take BNB. We take here Niblio. We have a buy option. We take 10 BNB. You can see here again, this is my available balance of Binance coin in my Binance account. We create a lot with 20. You also can create a lot with 10, whatever you want. Then the start price. If you want to start Niblio right now, I would recommend to have a start price around here, because let's take a look. I also will recommend to make the step a little bit more, but here you are in a working range between 31 and 28. And if you check here on the market in our 4-hour chart, you can see we are working very good in this position. So if you want to say, okay, I want to be in Niblio much longer, so like I do it, because if we filtered here, you can see I'm here in from 43 to 28. So for me, it's not important what is the price now. For me, it's important I want to support this coin long term. And also we can check here in Tron. Let's check out also BNB market. Also in Tron, you can see I have this coin. I have the start on 10.7 and up to 89. So in this area, I take out Tron out of the market in the BNB market. Okay, create. Then you can see here the coin size, and also here it is very important, the coin size have to be more than 200 if the step is 1%, because here it was 321, or so you can ignore the point. This value have to be more than 200 or more than 20, so you can ignore the point, the comma, and you only have to check out these three numbers, and these three numbers have to be more than 200, because we have now more than 100, because we will take out 1% of this amount, and 1% of 100, I think I don't have to calculate it, but I will show you, is 1, of course. So, and if you want, we put out coins with every round, we have to be more than 100, of course, because 1% we take out, and to have to be on the secure side, you should better to choose 110. So in this opinion, we will take out 0.2 or 0.3 out of the market, but let us check here. Again, for sure, I have a NiveaBot with also with 10. Let's take a look here. This is very active. I'm now here, open this since 3 days. Here you can always see the start date, and here you can see the date of the last trading. And you see, I opened this trading slot 3 days ago, and I already make 2.55% profit. So, but let's check again the history. So you can see here, this was the buy amount, this was the sell amount, yes, and it was 0.3 Niblu each round I take out of the market, and so I can stabilize the market, because as less coins are in the market, as higher the price will be. Okay, this was from my side. You can at the least you have to choose here option number 4. Of course, the amount of the sell order remains while keeping the coin difference in the balance. So this is what I explained you, and this is here explained also again in detail. You only have to press save, and then your trading slot will start. Okay, if you like this video and you want to have more, please subscribe this channel. You will find all the important links below this video, and have fun and much profits with METRONIX. See you.